Lecture 11. Working with illustrations and themes in PowerPoint. After learning this lecture, students will be able to add and use illustrations in presentations. Add and use word art in presentations. Hello friends! Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: illustrations and themes in Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint isn't just about plain slides. It's like a magical canvas where you can add fun shapes, cool icons, and even awesome charts. Let's learn step by step how to make our presentations colorful and creative. What are illustrations? Illustrations are like the building blocks of creativity in PowerPoint. Here are some fun tools you can use. Shapes. Imagine drawing anything from lines and rectangles to stars and speech bubbles. The Shape tool lets you pick and place these on your slide. So much fun! Icons. Need tiny pictures to make your ideas pop? Icons like smiley faces or gadgets are here to help. 3D models. Whoa! These are super cool! You can add 3D objects that spin and look real. Smart art. Ever wanted to make fancy diagrams? Smart art gives you templates for family trees, processes, and more. Charts. Numbers don't have to be boring. Add colorful bar charts or pie charts to show your data. How to insert a shape. Adding a shape is as easy as pie. Go to the Insert tab and find the Shapes option. A menu with all kinds of shapes will appear. Pick the one you like, maybe a star. Drag it onto your slide and voila! Your shape is ready to decorate your presentation. How to insert an icon. Want to make your slides look extra cool? Try adding icons. Click on the Insert tab and choose Icons. A gallery of icons will appear. Scroll through and pick your favorite one, like a rocket or a light bulb. Click Insert and you're done. How to insert a Smart Art graphic. Smart Art is perfect for making ideas look neat and organized. Select the slide where you want your graphic. Go to Insert, then click on Smart Art. A box will appear with different graphic styles, like lists or cycles. Choose one, click OK, and it'll pop up on your slide. How to insert a chart. Ready to impress with data? Here's how to add a chart. Go to the Insert tab and click on Chart. A box with lots of chart styles will appear. Bar charts, pie charts, and more. Pick one and click OK. A chart will appear with a spreadsheet. Just type in your numbers and the chart will update. How to complete charts in PowerPoint. Hey kids! Let's finish making our chart look awesome. When you're adding data to your chart, only the numbers inside the blue lines will appear. But here's the magic. The blue lines will grow if you add more data. Isn't that cool? Once you're happy with your numbers, click the little X to close the spreadsheet. And guess what? Your chart is done. It will look all colorful and ready to impress. Super easy, right? What are add-ins? Add-ins are like special helpers for PowerPoint. They bring extra features to make your work faster and better. But you have to be careful. Some add-ins can cause trouble if they're not safe. Luckily, you can change their settings to keep your computer secure. So, only use the ones you trust. Make text pop with word art. Want your text to look super stylish? Say hello to word art. With word art, you can add wavy, slanted, or even shiny effects to your words. What are themes? Themes are like outfits for your slides. A theme is a combination of colors, fonts, and effects that make your whole presentation look neat and professional. The default theme is called the Office theme, but you can pick from lots of others to match your style. Themes keep all your slides looking consistent, like a team wearing matching uniforms. Cool, right? How to apply themes? Here's how you can dress up your presentation. Click on the Design tab and check out the themes. Click the More button to see all the options. Pick the one you like and it will apply to every slide. Want to mix it up? You can choose a variant of the theme with different colors or textures. What is a slideshow? A slideshow is like a storybook, but on a screen. It's a collection of slides shown one after another to tell a story or share information. Before you present, make sure you've checked all your slides and the equipment like the projector or laptop. That way, your audience will enjoy the best version of your story. How to start a slideshow? Hey there, kids! Are you ready to make your presentation come alive on the big screen? Let's learn how to start a slideshow. Look at the Quick Access toolbar in PowerPoint. Click the button that says Start from Beginning or just press the F5 key on your keyboard. Boom! Your slideshow will fill the whole screen. Want to begin from the middle of your presentation? No problem. Click the Slideshow View button at the bottom of the PowerPoint window, and your slideshow will start from the current slide. For even more cool options, click the Slideshow tab on the ribbon. From there, you can explore advanced settings like custom slides or adding presenter notes. How to stop a slideshow? Okay, so you finished your awesome slideshow. Here's how you can stop it. Press the S key on your computer to exit full screen mode. Easy, right? You can also click on the Slideshow Options button at the bottom left of your screen and select End Show. And guess what? The slideshow will automatically stop after your last slide. Just click the mouse or hit the spacebar and you're back to normal view. Congratulations, superstar! You've now learned all the secrets of making and presenting slideshows. Thank you for learning with me, and remember, PowerPoint is your magical tool to share your ideas with the world. Keep creating and stay awesome!